Rangers, the COVID spike is back again. Get ready to fight it. Gather at the base now. Rangers, the COVID spike is back again. Get ready to fight it. Gather at the base now.
COVID is back again. What should we do to fight it?
Earthlings have forgotten the health protocol.
We need to do something. Remind the people the importance of health protocol.
Get ready!
Ready!
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, the news of COVID-19 is back on the rise, so we must rediscipline health protocol. What are the health protocol that we need to do? First, always wear a mask. Second, keeping the distance. Third, washing your hand. And fourth, full dose vaccination. That's our event against COVID-19. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye guys.
Good morning everyone. Welcome back to M.Kes and me, Rossa. And today we have a special guest. Her name is Galuh and she is a nurse who works in COVID room.
Hello everyone, good morning.
So, Nurse Galuh, lately there is an inclination of the rising of positive cases of COVID-19. What do you think about that?
Yes, we feel quite sad about that news. It's a pity that we have not free from the COVID infection yet.
Then what should we do about that? What should we do to prevent that from getting worse?
Of course, we have to take some prevention. Even though we have received full dose of vaccine, don't forget the health protocol. Whenever you are in home, traveling, or maybe in public place, don't forget the health protocol. It's a simple thing, but it have a big impact, especially for ourselves and for people around.
So guys, remember, health protocol is important. We can go on vacation, we can go for a walk, but don't forget about the health protocols, okay? So, before we close our podcast today, is there any message you want to tell to everyone and especially to our beloved audience here?
Yeah, keep your health protocol whenever and wherever you are. It's a simple move, but it does matter because the COVID pandemic is not over yet.
Okay, that's the end of our podcast today. See you on our next podcast.
Well done, Rangers. You have successfully carried out the mission very well.
Good job guys! Yes!
The pandemic is not over yet. Doing health promotion by social media as a reminder for the importance of health protocols compliance is more effective to reach all walks being. Discipline of health promotion for a better Indonesia.